Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Samarkan font in Canva. Let's get started. First, Samarkan is not available in Canva by default, so if you search for it in the Canva font menu, you probably won't find it. That means you'll need to upload the font manually. Here's how to do it. First, download the Samarkan font from a trusted font website. Once the font file is downloaded, open Canva in your browser. Now go to Brand Kit. This feature is available in Canva Pro. Inside Brand Kit, look for the Upload a Font option. Click on it and select the Samarkan font file you downloaded. Wait a few seconds for Canva to process the font. Once uploaded, the font will become available in your Canva font list. Now open any design, add a text box, and search for Samarkan in the font menu. Select it, and your text will now use the Samarkan font style. Now here's something important. Samarkan is a decorative font inspired by Indian-style lettering, but it mainly supports English characters. So typing in Hindi or other Indian languages may not work correctly. Also, always make sure you have the right to use the font for commercial projects if needed. If you don't have Canva Pro, another option is to create the text outside Canva using the font and then upload it as an image. That's how you use the Samarkan font in Canva. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and software guides. Thanks for watching.